Tanning beds have revolutionized appearance across the world, boosting self-esteem and confidence while increasing the production of vitamin D. A tanning salon appears to be the perfect solution for our fast-paced culture. The convenience of taking a couple of minutes to relax is enjoyable in itself. If you're planning on going on a cruise or a trip to warmer weather, a base tan is generally encouraged. Tan skin looks healthier and seems to induce overall satisfaction, yet the negative aspects profoundly outweigh the positives.
As soon as you step foot into a tanning bed, you are at risk of many things you may not be aware of. The relaxation and satisfaction you may feel after your 15-minute tan is much more than you think. It is the start to a serious addiction. The great feeling there is one of comparison to someone who is dependent on drugs or alcohol. Tanning is a serious problem. Did you know that you could seriously damage your eyes or go blind from not using proper protection in fear of the dreaded goggle tan? Not only are your eyes affected, your skin is too. Melanoma, which is a serious type of skin cancer, is the most commonly seen cancer in the United States today. 900 Canadians annually alone die before the age of 30 because of melanoma, something you could be at risk for if you or someone you love has tanned just 10 times this past year. If you have ever experienced or seen nausea, anxiety, and depression from not tanning regularly, you need to take action. How can you prevent this addiction from going any further? Call 1-866-675-4912 for a free consultation today.
Who would have thought that a light bulb could kill you?